Welcome to the Procreate 101 course. So in this course, we're going to talk about all of the most important features in Procreate and show you how you can get started creating ASAP. So first question would be, what are we doing here? What we're doing here is we're going to be talking about the essential features of Procreate, going over the gallery, brushes, colors, importing, exporting, gesture controls, all that important stuff. Then we'll move on to the more advanced features. We're talking layers, masks, clipping masks, guides, grids, symmetries, blending modes, adjustments, filters, how to add text and fonts, the next level of stuff. That stuff's also important for creating super cool work inside Procreate, and you're going to want to know all of this before getting started. You don't want to be hung up by the simple things inside the app. Once you understand how the app works, you can move forward in creating your own art in no time. Following those lessons, we'll dive into some more creative features like your time-lapse recordings, canvas templates that help you save time, maybe even a little bit of animation assist so you can make GIFs inside Procreate. And then from there, we'll go on to some more secret settings that you might want to adjust to make your experience in Procreate a little bit better. So I hope you are looking forward to the rest of these lessons. I'm really happy. This will be the second time I've recorded this Procreate 101 course. The older one is a bit outdated. I had an older camera and it was a few years ago. So I figure it's time to refresh the course and bring the best possible videos I have to help you in your Procreate journey. See you in the next one.